हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आप लोगों ने जो हमने चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था, रिफ्लेक्शन, लाइट रिफ्रैक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन, इस चैप्टर में हमने स्टार्ट करते समय आपको सिर्फ लाइव क्लास लिए थे, इसका वीडियो नहीं दिए थे। तो कुछ स्टूडेंट कह रहे थे कि सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होने के नाते हमने सही से सुन नहीं पाया, देख नहीं पाया, इसलिए हम इस वीडियो को बना रहे हैं। हम इस चैप्टर को जब शुरू किए थे तो आपका पहले तो लाइट की डेफिनेशन हमने बताया था। लाइट की डेफिनेशन क्या दिए थे हमने? द सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी विच प्रोड्यूस सेंसेशन इन आवर आईज इज नोन एज लाइट। उसके बाद में नेचर ऑफ लाइट हमने पढ़ाया था। डुअल नेचर ऑफ लाइट हमने बताया था। फर्स्ट था उसमें पार्टिकल नेचर ऑफ लाइट एंड सेकंड था वेव नेचर ऑफ लाइट। इसके आगे हम लोगों ने इस चैप्टर में पढ़ा था रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट की डेफिनेशन। रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट की डेफिनेशन हमने बताया था, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, इसकी डेफिनेशन बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ व्हाइट लाइट इन द सेम मीडियम इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। Two types of reflection of light. Types of reflection of light. First point था regular reflection of light. Regular reflection of light. Regular reflection of light. When reflection of light takes place through regular surface are known as regular reflection of light. Second हमने बताया था irregular reflection of light. Irregular reflection of light. Irregular reflection of light में हमने बताया था when reflection of light takes place through irregular surface are known as irregular reflection of light. When reflection of light takes place through irregular surface of light is known as irregular reflection of light. उसके बाद आता है law of reflection of light. Law of reflection of light. Law of reflection of light. फर्स्ट यहां पर हम डायग्राम बना रहे हैं। आपका एक प्लेन मिरर है, दिस इज इंसिडेंट रेज एंड दैट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज एंड दिस इज नॉर्मल लाइन. Incidence angle formed with normal line incidence rays angle formed with normal line is known as angle of incidence and be represented by angle I, and reflected rays angle formed with normal line is known as angle of reflection and it is represented by R. This is incident rays ray and that is reflected ray. Then what is there? First law of reflection of light, incident ray, reflected rays and normal point lies in same plane. First point. Second, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of reflection, that is एंगल I इज इक्वल टू एंगल R. ये है आपका लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. इसके बाद इस चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इमेज. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? ऑब्जेक्ट those source of light through which rays of light coming. Those source of light, those source of light through which rays coming is known as ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट भी दो तरह के होते हैं. फर्स्ट होता है पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड होता है एक्सटेंडेड ऑब्जेक्ट. पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट, सपोज बल्ब, torch bulb. This is example of point object. Extended object, tube light, sunlight, sun, we are also example of extended object. Again I will discuss here image. After reflection, the rays of light meet at a point, or we appear meet at a point, is known as image. That point is known as image. These images are two types. First, real image, and second, virtual image. Real image, when rays of light after reflection actually meet a point. Then which one image are formed, that image is known as real image. Virtual image, when rays of light after reflection does not meet actual, then at that point which one image are formed, that point is known as virtual image. Then this is points which one revision are needed here. After this I will discuss here image formed by plane mirror. Ray diagram also I will show. Image formed by plane mirror. Image formed by plane mirror. You see how image are formed and its characteristics also I will discuss. Any one object lies in front of this mirror, that is object. Two rays I will. For image formation, only two rays are needed here. You see here, two rays I will represent here. All of you know that this is plane mirror. Then what happened? These rays of light does not possible to pass through this mirror. Why? Because this plane mirror is, they can not allowed to pass through them. Polished surface. Then reflection of light takes place. This is reflected rays of light. You see this reflected rays of light, that is divergent beam of light. Divergent. Then they never intersect to each other. Then we proceed back. We proceed back like this. Where these two, these two rays of light are meet, their image are formed. Means that image are formed. Here, you see here, these rays of light does not actual meet. We appears these rays of light meet at that point. Then which one image are formed? That image are virtual image. Characteristics you can see here. Characteristics. First, virtual image. Virtual image. Second, same size. Same size. Third, means size of object is equal to size of image. Third, distance between object to mirror is equal to distance between mirror to image. मीन्स अगर मिरर को 5 सेंटीमीटर अवे रखे हैं, मिरर से 5 सेंटीमीटर अवे ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो इमेज जो बनेगा वो भी 5 सेंटीमीटर अवे ही बनेगा बैक साइड में. ये आपका हो गया थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. इरेक्ट इमेज. इरेक्ट का मतलब सीधा बनेगा. Erect image are formed here. Again there, in characteristics of this, erect image, lateral inversion. Fourth point this is. Fifth, lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means the object and image, what happened, left side converted to right side and right side converted to left side. This is lateral inversion. And last one more point. 6. If object moving with velocity v, then we appear image moving with 2v velocity. 2v velocity means what? If object moving with the velocity 5 meter per second, then v appears image is moving with the velocity 2v means 10 meter per second v appear. but actually that is moving with the same velocity. Then this is previous things already we have studied here, but one more times I want to make one video and I will give all this one topics I will revise. After this I will start here spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. When reflection of light takes place through spherical surface, then that is known as spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. These are two types. First, concave mirror. Concave mirror. You see, definition of this already given for you. In this spherical mirror, concave spherical, the spherical mirror in which inner portion are reflecting surface and outer portion are polished surface. That types of spherical mirror is known as concave spherical mirror. Second, convex mirror. In this, outer surface are reflecting surface and inner surface are polished surface. The mirror in which outer portion are reflecting surface and inner surface are polished surface, that mirror is known as convex mirror. After this, in this case we study here technical term related to spherical mirror. Technical term related to spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. इसमें हमने फर्स्ट पॉइंट बताया था पोल. पोल की डिफिनेशन क्या दिए थे? सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ स्फेरिकल मिरर इज नोन एज पोल. हम इसको मिटा दे रहे हैं, इसी में सारे डिस्कस कर दे रहे हैं. ए सेंटर पॉइंट हो गया, इसको क्या कहेंगे? पोल. सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ स्फेरिकल मिरर इज नोन एज पोल. सेकेंड, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. Center of curvature. Center of hollow sphere of which mirror is part. Suppose this spherical mirror is part of this hollow sphere. Then what is the center of this hollow sphere? That is known as center of curvature. Center of hollow sphere of which mirror is a part is known as center of curvature. It is represented by C. Third point, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of hollow sphere of which mirror is part. Radius of hollow sphere of which mirror is part is known as radius of curvature. It is represented by letter R. It is represented by letter R, means CP is radius of curvature and be represented by letter R. Again, fourth point, principal axis. Principal axis. The straight line joining the center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. The straight line joining the center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. Fifth point, focus. Focus. The rays of light after reflection passes through single points on principal axis. That single point is known as focus or principal focus. The rays of light after reflection passes through single points on principal axis. That single point is known as focus or principal focus of spherical mirror. and it is represented by focus AF. 6 point focal length. The distance between focus and pole. The distance between focus and pole is known as focal length, and this is just half of radius of curvature. Focal length, and it is represented by small AF. It is represented by P, C, R, principal axis, focus. Last point, 7th point, aperture. The total or effective length of spherical mirror. The total or effective length of spherical mirror is known as aperture of spherical mirror. The total or effective length of spherical mirror through which reflection of light takes place are known as aperture of spherical mirror. This 7th point टेक्निकल टर्म्स रिलेटेड टू स्फेरिकल मिरर. ये सारे के सारे पॉइंट्स आपको आएंगे और हम इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे. अब हम इस टॉपिक में आते हैं. इसके बाद हमने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ाया था आपको रूल्स ऑब्टेनिंग इमेज बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर. रूल्स ऑब्टेनिंग बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर. Rules obtaining image. Rules for obtaining image by spherical mirror. Obtaining image by spherical mirror. Rules obtaining image by spherical mirror. आप सब जानते हो इसमें हमने 4 रूल्स बताए थे. फर्स्ट था when rays of light parallel to principal axis after reflection